Hi everyone, welcome to Phil's Honest Reviews. I know I said I was going to review a couple of other items, but I've been using this today and thought it would be a good opportunity to cover this. This is the DeWALT DCN660P2. It's the P2 because it came with two batteries, charger, and what I do like is it came with a proper carry case. If I just move that to there, hopefully you can still see this. It's what I call a fitted case. It's not a loose case, so there's actually proper space for the gun to fit in. Okay, I like that because it's better for transportation. I'm not worried about it getting damaged and rattling around in a box, especially at the price these things come in at. Right, so what else can we tell you about this? Why did I choose it? I chose it because I'd got an electric one. I had an electric gun. It wasn't a DeWALT, it was a Rapesco. Used the straight nails, again the 16GA nails. And to be honest, nothing wrong with it. Brilliant bit of kit. The problem I had with it was the cable was too short. So you had to run an extension lead all the time, and when you were going around putting trim on or skirting or whatever, it would snag on everything. It was just another thing you had to drag out, and it just got to become a bit of a pain, to be honest. So I thought, right, I've got the DeWALT kit, I'll invest in a DeWALT nailer. It's a lot of money, and I thought, we'll see how we get on with it. Now then, it's important to point out, this only comes with a 1-year warranty. Why do I know it comes with a 1-year warranty? Because I tried to claim against it. I registered it online as I do with all the other kit. The nailer, along with a couple of other bits, you still only get 1 year. They don't extend it, and it's probably for a good reason. I had this for about a year. Now, I'm property maintenance. I do various jobs, so I don't use it every day. And on occasion I went to use it and it jammed, and it was jamming sort of about every 20 nail, which you can just about live with, but it starts getting annoying. And then it was every 10th nail. So I thought, right, I'll get in touch with DeWALT. Got in touch with DeWALT. I'm 10 days out of the warranty. They weren't interested, told me to send it to an authorised repair centre, which I did. And the way that worked is you had to pay for the delivery and return delivery in advance, send it off to them. They get in touch with you, tell you what needs doing, and then they fix it and send it back. Or that's what's supposed to happen. So mine went away, came back along with this part, which sits inside here somewhere, and it's the part that actually sort of nails the nail in. It didn't fix it. I got in touch with the company. I told them it's not working, and they said, well, put in a new claim. You'd have to send the pay for the postage, return postage. And then they started saying, well, if it's not that, it could be this, and to be honest, it's going to be cheaper for you to buy a new nailer. Wow, that's really disappointing. At 400 and something quid for this range one, because it was a 2 battery charger and nail gun. I was really disappointed, even to the point when it came back, I actually bought some DeWALT nails because I thought, just in case the nails I'm using are a bit dodgy, I'll get those. But I can show you use it in action. He says, hopefully it's going to work. It's jammed. It's already jammed. I've used it for one nail. What you have to do, I think it's just released actually, I think I just heard it. You have to open this, and then in here the nailer part gets stuck, and you have to push that back up. There's no reset button. You see the white light flashing. The only way to reset it is to take the battery out, put it back in, and it's gone again. It's rubbish. I don't know why I bother. Will I get another one? I don't know. I've looked at other reviews online. Everyone seems to love it. You can adjust through here the depth the nail goes to, so you could leave it proud if you wanted. I got it set so it went quite deep and out the way, so I can fill stuff afterwards. There's also a repeat button. Now with this jamming, I'll be amazed if this works. I don't think I've ever got this to work. No, that's not actually sending any nail out. Oh, there we go. Does appear to be working, but you can hear it was struggling. I don't know if you can hear me over that. You could hear it was struggling. I've used various sets of nails. Weigh a ton. There we've got the 32mm, 50mm, and they're the DeWALT ones that I bought and paid a fortune for, and appears to have wasted my money. I mean, it does the job. It feels great. It looks great, and it's, to me, feels just as powerful as a gas version. I mean, you can see that's absolutely nailed in, solid. Was there anything else I wanted to say? I've told you about the warranty. I've told you about the faults and everything else I've had. So that's it in a nutshell. Please remember to subscribe. You know how it works with YouTube. It'd be really helpful if you could subscribe, like, comment. I will put a link to this particular one. I think on Amazon it's about 400 and something pounds. Will I bother again? I don't know. I'm so disappointed. I was expecting better, and I was really disappointed with DeWalt's response, saying I was only 10 days out, and the repairer's response again was just rubbish. If I did a job for somebody and they said to me that whatever I'd done had not fixed it, I'd be right back out again saying, right, I'll come out and I'll sort it out. One of the things to note, you get the little rubber nose there. There are a spare one stored on the kit here as well. The only thing I would like is, I would like it if it was a different colour, if it was yellow, something like that. So if it does fall off, it's easy to find, but that's just a minor thing. All right, feel free to comment, have a look at my website. I'm doing everything I can. I will write up a review and put that on the website as well. Thanks very much, and see you again soon.